Okay, I need to connect to my VPN server now and test that out. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a command prompt, um, and I'm going to see if I can ping the server. So I know the server's IP address, so I'm on just the local network here. So this is going to be from a local VPN, so that's not that great because it's not testing from outside of the network, but I can only test it right now from within the network. So I can ping the server, so that's a good sign. And since I can ping the server, I should be able to connect to it. So what I'm going to do is I've opened up the Network and Sharing Center. I'm using Windows Vista, and I'm going to set up a connection or network. And when I do that, I'm going to scroll down to set up a dial-up or VPN connection. Okay. I'm going to not be doing a dial-in connection through a modem, through a phone number. I'm going to be using internet connection VPN, using the internet and IP addresses. So I'll click there. All right. And then I got to put in the internet address. So right now, since I'm on the private network, I'll just put in the private IP address. Okay, and that's the address. And I'll just say VPN connection. And if I was going to use a smart card, I could add it here, but I don't have a smart card. Allow other people to use this connection. No, don't connect now, just set it up so I can connect later. So, let's do that. So I'll click next. And the username, I got to put in the username of the user that's going to be doing the connecting. And then the password. And I'm putting that in right now. Okay. And I'll click remember this password, and I'll hit create. All right, and I'll try to connect. So we'll connect, and we'll see if it worked out. Authenticated, connected. Great. So that worked out. Let's see if we picked up the IP address that I specified for my VPN server to hand out. So let's take a look at that. Bring this up and do an IP config. Hit enter. And you can see here that when I look at my IP addresses here, you can see here that I now have a PPP adapter VPN connection to danslab.local, which is my domain controller, my server, and sure enough, I got the IP address 192.168.1.152, which is one of the numbers that I was giving out. So I picked that up. Now you can see that I'm also connected to a wireless network here, right? And I've probably also got a wired connection here somewhere too, but just the wireless one. So I am now on that local network. So now it's just as if I am sitting on the local network. Now the next test will be, can I set up this connection to work across the internet using my public IP address and enabling my router to allow that traffic through so it can reach my server.